Good afternoon, everyone. So let's move forward today with our types of inheritance. First type. So single inheritance is a inheritance kind where it is the easier type to understand the inheritance. So here what happens, we have a single parent class and a child class is actually inheriting the parent class. That means we have the example here, animal class and cat class. Okay, both are the classes. Animal class is a super class, that means a parent class, and cat class wants to inherit the properties and methods of the animal class, right? So single class is inheriting the single parent class. This actually refers to the single inheritance concept. Okay, let's move towards the practical scenario of inheritance. I'm creating out a class here for animal. Okay, let's say we have a class of animal and I'm going to just display something inside this animal class, that is, let's just see here, this is a animal class, right? I actually want to create another class, let's say cat, right, which is extending the animal, right, animal class. So here we can give another method, let's say s. Okay, let's give show, and what I want to display here in the cat class, that this is a cat class, right? I can just create the object for cat class and access the show method and display method as well. With the help of new keyword, I've created a object. Let's call my display method and also the method for my cat. So we have to use the public static void main, because the like if we won't use this, compiler won't be able to understand from where it needs to execute, right? So I'll just save and I'll just try to run the program. So we got the response, this is animal class and this is cat class, right? So we have created two class, animal class and cat class. Show is the method of cat and display is the method of animal. By the object of cat class, I have executed the display method and of course the show method of its own class. So this is what the inheritance means. Thank you so much.